This is the Giuliani model of the Coastal Grove development in Parani, Bataan. Get inside. Oh, there's the garage. Get inside. Oh! Oh, maluwang ha? Gusto ko yung tiles nila, hindi madulas.
Very rough.
Kala ko hagdanan pataas.
Same with the,
May cabinet din. May basement ako pa ba? Halos pareho lang. Ay, yung Eliza, walang ganon. Okay. Let's view from the outside.
Nakasarap ko yung mga siya.
Nakasara po ang pintuan. Kit na. Sarap ng hangin, ha? Aray! Nabira yung damit ko. I think this is the first bedroom. Ay, sorry, yeah, it's the first bedroom and this is the second one. All equipped with built-in cabinets. And the mattress. Oh! Ah, okay. Ito, walang toilet sa taas, no?